SolidWorks is the world leader in 3D solid modeling software. It is both a history and feature-based parametric modeling program. The software uses a simple set of tools and commands to help you design parts, assemblies, and drawings. On your screen, you should see an icon that looks like this. Double-click on that to fire up SolidWorks. Give it a moment to load. You may see a splash screen at this point. If not, that's okay. The SolidWorks program interface should load shortly, and we can start looking at the individual components that make up the software. There are actually 3 different modes inside of SolidWorks: part mode, assembly mode, and drawing mode. If you click on the home icon, that will bring up the home screen, allowing you to start a brand new part or look at some recent documents. You can also access recent folders and other resources, such as what's new in SolidWorks. There are also tabs for recent documents, learning materials, and alerts. Everything inside SolidWorks starts with a template. A basic template loads with SolidWorks, but you can create your own templates defined for your company or specific presets, like the inch system or the metric system. You can set up as many templates as you'd like for either the part, assembly, or drawing environments. Click on the part environment to fire up the default template. Keep in mind that SolidWorks is configurable. Your environment might not look identical to mine, as I have customized it. Or perhaps your company has a standard environment that has been customized for you. If you don't see everything exactly the same way I do, it's likely due to these customizations. Let's cover some of the basics of the environment. At the top, you have your standard file and edit menus, which are similar to those in most programs. Inside these menus, you'll find options like Save, Open, and others. If you don't see this menu, you can click on the little pin at the end to pin it out. Sometimes, it may collapse. In that case, hover over it to see a tiny flyout. You can pin it out if you want to keep it visible. Next, we have the welcome screen, which I refer to as the home icon. Here, you can create a new document, open a document, save, print, and more. On the left, you'll see tools for rebuilding, file properties, and various options. Directly below that is what we call the ribbon. Everything in here is part of the ribbon, and it changes based on the tab you select. You can add as many tabs as you like with different tool sets available. To do this, right-click on any tab, go to Tabs, and you'll see a list of different toolbars you can turn on or off. You can turn these on or off by clicking the tabs. The Feature Manager on the left side is crucial. It's where everything that builds your model is kept. As you build features, they appear in chronological order, and you can roll back the history bar to see how the model was created. Everything starts on one of the 3 fundamental planes: front, top, or right. You'll begin by creating a sketch, drawing a shape, like a rectangle, and then extruding, revolving, or sweeping it to form a solid. As you create features, they'll show up in the list below. This list can become quite lengthy as you add more features. We'll delve deeper into this as the course progresses. At the top of the screen, you have view controls like zoom to fit, zoom to area, and previous view. While it's a bit hard to demonstrate these right now, they're available for your use. We'll also cover section view, view orientations, and more as we move forward. The tabs on the right include SolidWorks Resources, the Design Library, File Explorer, and Drawings. The Design Library is particularly useful. You can store sketches, parts, or assemblies in it for easy access. For example, if you frequently use a hardware component like a screw, you can drag it into the Design Library for quick retrieval in future projects. Remember, this is just the part environment. The assembly and drawing environments look similar, but will have different features tailored to their specific functions. Now let's go ahead and start creating our first part.